Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by minimizing interruptions. Plug the laptop into power and confirm battery settings are stable. Open power and sleep or power options now. This is where the system decides when the display turns off. Once inside, disable the screensaver and set display timeout values to a long period or never. This first step prevents automatic dimming and sleep while you proceed. Make sure to note original values so you can revert later if needed. Changing these settings keeps the screen active immediately. Now dive into advanced power configuration to make the display persist. Open advanced power settings and set both turn-off display and sleep to never for plugged-in and battery profiles you use. Adjust hibernate similarly. If present, set to never or a very long delay. Once done, consider a lightweight utility that simulates keyboard or mouse activity. This helps apps that force dimming. Make sure you pick a reputable tool and grant only necessary permissions. Then test by closing and reopening the lid, or leaving the system. Finish by verifying the display stays on. Lock and unlock, or let the laptop sit for a while to confirm no timeout occurs. If it still sleeps, check vendor-specific power utilities and the BIOS or UEFI settings that may override OS options. Once done, disable adaptive or ambient brightness in display settings and update the graphics driver. These often reset brightness or trigger dimming. If problems persist, revert recent updates or test a new power plan. This isolates the change causing the sleep behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.